Alright, took another one off the shelf. This one is a ZD Racing DTK-16 Rocket 116 brushless four-wheel drive truck. Check this one out. Really like this thing, man. Love the nice big wheels on it. Got a spare one at the back. Couple guys on the inside there. Nice light bar. I gotta add some other lights to it, but I'll get around to it. The shocks are not oil filled, I don't think. I don't think so. Nice overall truck. Let's run this thing. Okay, let's do this. Nice. Went on two wheels for a second there. Don't worry, I'm gonna take it off-road. It's been out for about, I don't know, I'm guessing 3 years. To it, boy. Oh, see that wheelie? Let's take this thing off-road. Alright, let's run this thing on the grass, man. A lot better on the grass. Check that out. I'm actually at a rugby field. It's definitely better off-road. Oh yeah, okay. Recovery. Can live with that. Unflip. Go, Rocket. Alright, that's a ZD Racing DTK-16 Rocket. See you guys on the next video. Later.